Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome to the channel where we make boring things epic. Today, we're talking about making money, but not just any money. We're talking about making money online. That's right, forget the 9-to-5 grind. We're all about that digital hustle. We're going to be diving into the top ways you can stack cash straight from your laptop. And trust me, some of these are so easy, even your grandma could do it. Stay tuned because we'll be explaining some of these methods in detail in our upcoming videos. We're talking full breakdowns, tips and tricks, and maybe even some crazy challenges along the way. Let's do this. First up, let's talk about freelancing. You got a skill, like any skill at all? Writing, editing, graphic design, voiceovers, coding, you name it. Someone out there is willing to pay you for it. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect you with clients from all over the world. Imagine this. You're chilling in your pajamas, sipping on some coffee, and bam! You just made a couple $100 designing a logo for a company in another country. That's the power of freelancing. And the best part? You're your own boss. Set your own hours, choose your own projects, and work from anywhere in the world. It's like living the dream, but instead of just dreaming it, you're actually doing it. So if you're ready to ditch the 9-to-5 and become a freelancing superstar, hit that subscribe button because we're going to be breaking down everything you need to know in a future video. Next up, we've got affiliate marketing. This one is all about sharing what you love and getting paid for it. Ever recommend a product to a friend and they were like, "Dude, this is life-changing, thank you." Well, imagine getting paid every time someone buys that product because of you. That's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. You basically partner with a company, promote their products through a special link, and boom. Every time someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's like magic, but with money. Bloggers, YouTubers, social media influencers, they're all crushing it with affiliate marketing, and you can too. Stay tuned, because we're going to dedicate a whole video to showing you exactly how to get started. Alright, are you ready to become a digital professor? No, I'm not talking about those boring lectures you slept through in college. I'm talking about creating and selling online courses on platforms like Udemy and Teachable. Think about it. You're an expert in something, right? Maybe you're a photography whiz, a coding ninja, or a master chef. Whatever your skill, there are people out there who are dying to learn from you. So why not package that knowledge into an online course and share it with the world? You can create videos, worksheets, quizzes, the whole shebang. And the best part? Once you create the course, it's there forever, generating passive income while you sleep, eat, or even film more epic YouTube videos. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Ever dream of starting your own business? Well, with e-commerce, it's easier than ever. We're talking about building your own online store and selling physical or digital products directly to customers worldwide. Platforms like Shopify and Etsy are like your digital storefront, providing all the tools you need to set up shop and start raking in the dough. You could sell handmade crafts, custom-designed t-shirts, vintage clothing, digital art, ebooks. The possibilities are endless. And the best part? You're in control. You decide what to sell, how to sell it, and how much to sell it for. It's like having your own mini empire, built on creativity and hustle. Alright, calling all photographers and shutterbugs. Did you know you can turn your passion for photography into cold, hard cash? That's right, I'm talking about selling your stunning photos on stock photography websites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock. Every day, businesses, bloggers, and designers are searching for the perfect images to use in their projects. And that's where you come in. Upload your high-quality photos to these platforms, and every time someone downloads one of your masterpieces, you get paid. It's a fantastic way to earn passive income from something you love doing. So grab your camera, find your light, and start snapping your way to financial freedom. Alright guys, there you have it. 5 epic ways to make money online. From freelancing to affiliate marketing, online courses to e-commerce, and even stock photography. There's a method out there for everyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notified about our upcoming videos, where we'll dive deeper into these money-making methods. We're going to be breaking down each method step by step, giving you all the tips and tricks you need to succeed. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and get ready to unlock your online earning potential. See you next time.